In this video I will show you how to create any type of images using AI without any effort, so let's start. Open your favorite browser and type Midjourney. After that click on Discord Midjourney to open Midjourney bot in Discord. Now here peoples are creating their desired images every second. So we also create images for ourselves, so for this we need a script that would be converted into image. For this I visit the kids' moral story and select any story from there. Now I paste the story script in Midjourney, and after less than a minute it will create a beautiful image for us.